I'm Kit Rich, your trainer. Welcome to KICHGO. This is a quick arm routine. It's gonna bust it out really fast. What you need is your resistance band with handles, and you're also gonna need your KICHGO sliders. You ready? Let's go. All right, you're gonna come to your mat. You're gonna grab your KICHGO sliders, and I recommend starting on your knees for this one. One hand is on each slider as you come forward into a modified plank. So your head, your shoulders, your hips, and your knees are in one diagonal line. You're gonna bend down into a tricep push-up, elbows close into the body. While you're down there, extend one arm forward, and then bring it back in and push yourself back up. Coming down into your tricep push-up, extend the other arm forward, bring it in, and push yourself back up. Keep going for me. So notice it's not really about how low you go, it's about stability. You wanna keep your elbows close in towards your rib cage. You wanna make sure that your shoulders are not creeping up. Nice. Down, extend, bend, bring it in, down, extend. We're gonna do one more each arm. Down, extend, bend, bring it in. Last one, down, extend, bend, and push it up. Come to stand for me. I want you to grab your resistance band. We're gonna go into what's called a lat pull. So you wanna hold it more towards the edge of the band. Your arms are up. You do want to feel some resistance while you're up there. The arms are slightly behind the ears, your legs are wide, knees are soft. Holding one arm up, we're gonna pull the right arm down, bending the elbow, and then extending it back up, and then alternating. Good. So you wanna feel that shoulder blade pull down your back as you go for that lat pull. Feeling that connector there. This is the biggest muscle in your back. You definitely wanna get this strong. It will change your whole life, getting those muscles strong. Nice. You're gonna give me one more each side. So going right arm, and then left arm, and release it, bring it down. We're gonna come back to your KICHGO sliders. Feel free to do this on your knees or off your knees. Your hands start together on the sliders. I'm gonna begin off my knees here, and you want your legs wider than your hips. You're gonna push one arm out to the side, create a big push-up, come up, squeeze it back in, alternating out to the side, big push-up, and squeeze it in. Keep going. Feel free to do this onto your knees if you need to. You definitely want to protect yourself. As you squeeze in, you want to work all those muscles in the chest and the shoulder. Yeah, really push into the floor. Push into the floor as you squeeze it back in. Nice work. Keep going. Out to the side, abs pull in tight. You're going to do one more each side. Out to the side, squeeze it in to the other side, and come back to stand. Let's go back to your back. Holding the band now about a quarter of the way from the tail end of each side. Wide stance, knees soft, chest up, wrists straight and strong. You're gonna open your arms out, bringing the band to the chest, and then closing. Open out, squeeze your upper back, and close. Pulling in through the abs, opening those arms long. Again, be really mindful of your wrists. They're staying straight. And I love working chest to back, front to back. You're gonna feel really balanced. You're gonna feel really good. Give me about two more here. Open and close. Last one. Open and close. Hold this. Now we're gonna take your right arm up, left arm down, and you're gonna open out at a diagonal and close, and continue like that. Open and close. Feeling that arm stretching up and the other leg going down, squeezing the shoulder blades together. You got it. Open and close. Last one. Open and close. Let's go to the other side and begin. Open and close. Don't forget about that strong stance in your legs. You're not rounding your shoulders. You're keeping your chest up. Go whatever pace works for you. You don't have to stay with me. Strong, straight wrists. Give me two more. Open and close. Last one. Open and close. Hold it in the center here. Stretch it up. Stretch out your chest, pulling the band apart. Hold it right there where you feel the stretch. And tiny little pulses. Well done. Quick, not easy, but effective. Hold it in the center here. Drop the right arm down, left arm up, feeling the stretch of the shoulder. Now open up that left shoulder just a little bit. Breathe there. Come back to center. Drop your left arm down, right arm up. Open up that shoulder. Chest high, abs in. Back to center. From here, you're just gonna tilt your upper body back. Big inhale. And exhale, release. Well done, you did it.